Vocabulary. Places to visit. A match 1 to 8 with a, h, to make compound nouns. Then write them in the spaces below. Which compound nouns are 2 words? Which are 1 word? 1 night. D. Club. 2 shopping. H. Mall. 3 water. B. Front. 4 nature. E. Trail. 5 concert. C. Hall. 6th street. G. Market. 7 sports. A. Field. 8 country. F. Side. Match the photos with words from exercise 1A. A. Concert hall. B. Nightclub. C. Shopping mall. D. Waterfront. E. Sport field. F. Street market. Listening. Look at the picture. What do you think the other man says? What do you think, Terry?
Unit 3. Time out. Recording 1.
So, what do you think, Terry? I put it on this wall because of the light.
Well, I want to say I like it, but I don't.
You don't like it?
No, David, I don't. It's terrible.
What?
It's just black. All over. It's black on black. It looks like a painting of a blackbird flying over a black building on a black night.
It's modern art, Terry.
I know, but it doesn't say anything.
What do you mean it doesn't say anything? It's art. It doesn't talk.
You know what I mean. It has no message. I don't understand it.
You don't have to understand it, Terry. It's art. It just exists. It's not there to be understood.
So why is it all black? Why not white? Or white and black? Or red, white and black?
Why don't you ask the artist?
How much did it cost?
I'm not telling you.
How much did it cost?
Why?
I want to know.
It was expensive.
What does that mean? What's expensive? $50? $50,000?
Nearer 50,000.
Nearer $50,000 than 50.
Yes, 45,000. $45,000.
I can't believe it. You bought a black painting. You spent $45,000.
I liked it. I like it. No, I love it.
It's black, David. Black on black. I could paint it for you in 5 minutes.
But you didn't.
You didn't ask me to.
I didn't want you to.
Has Mary seen it?
Not yet. She's away. She'll be back on Friday.
Does she know you bought it?
No, it's a surprise.
Oh yes, it will be. A big surprise. Does Mary even like modern art?
Yes, she'll like this.
How do you know?
I know.
How?
Because I know what Mary likes and what Mary doesn't like. And she'll like this.
I hope so. Because if she doesn't, you're dead.
3.1 Listen to the conversation. Are the sentences true, T, or false, F? 1. Terry doesn't like the painting. True. 2. The painting is black and white. False. 3. David thinks you don't always have to understand art. True. 4. The painting was expensive. True. 5. Terry thinks he can paint it in 5 days. False. 6. Mary will be back in 5 minutes. false. Listen again. What are the answers to Terry's questions? 1. How much did the painting cost? $45,000. 2. Has Mary seen the painting? No. 3. Does Mary like modern art? Yes. Read audio script 3.1 on page 78 and find words that match these meanings. 1. Very bad. Terrible. 2. Everywhere. 2 words. All over. 3. An idea in a film, painting, etc. that someone is trying to tell people about. Message. 4. A person who paints pictures. Artist. 5. Not here. Away. 6. Something you don't expect. Surprise. Grammar. Questions without auxiliaries. 3. A. Complete the questions with the phrases in the box. Who invented? Who earned? How many? Who uses? Which French? Which city? Who spends? What country? Which painting? Which Caribbean? 1. What country makes the most films every year? 2. Who invented the World Wide Web? 3. Which painting by Van Gogh cost more? Sunflowers or Portrait of Dr. Gachet? 4. Which Caribbean country invented the modern version of the dance called salsa? 5. Which French museum appears in the novel The Da Vinci Code? 6. Who spends more time outdoors? People in New Zealand or people in Canada? 7. How many people visit the Eiffel Tower every year? 8. Who uses the internet more, Canadians or Americans? 9. Who earned $1 million for each episode of The Big Bang Theory in 2014? 10. Which city has the most famous carnival every year? Match answers A, J, with questions 1 to 10 in exercise 3A. I. India. G. Tim Berners-Lee. C. Portrait of Dr. Gachet. D. Cuba. A. The Louvre. H. People in New Zealand. E. Nearly 7 million. B. Canadians. F. Jim Parsons, for his role as Sheldon Cooper. J. Rio de Janeiro. Write questions for the underlined answers. Start with who, what, whose or how many. 1. Larry Page and Sergey Brin started Google in the late 1990s. Who started Google in the late 1990s? 2. Dr. James Naismith invented basketball in 1891. Who invented basketball in 1891? 3. Canadians spend over 40 hours a month online. How many hours a month do Canadians spend online? 4. Charles Miller brought football to Brazil from England in the 19th century. Who brought football to Brazil from England in the 19th century? 5. Jerry Seinfeld's sitcom is one of the most successful TV shows of all time. Whose sitcom is one of the most successful TV shows of all time? 6. Leap Rubing first developed the sport of chess boxing in the 1990s. Who first developed the sport of chess boxing in the 1990s? 7. Germany won the World Cup in 2014. Which country won the World Cup in 2014? 8. The Carcross Desert in Canada is the smallest desert in the world. What is the smallest desert in the world? 9. Elvis Presley's daughter is called Lisa Marie. Whose daughter is called Lisa Marie? 10. Nearly 7 million people visit the British Museum every year. How many people visit the British Museum every year?